Hello, amazing people. I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. So, if you're a beginner or are looking for the best IDE, this video is for you. In this top 5 series video, I am going to tell you the top 5 IDEs for Python. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment and consider subscribing it. Press the bell icon to never miss an update. So with that being said, let's quickly dive right into the video. Choosing the best IDE can be very confusing and time consuming. But with the right information, I will make the choice easy for you. So let's have a look at today's agenda. We'll see what's an IDE, features of an IDE, and the top 5 IDEs. So let's get started. What is an IDE? An IDE or an integrated development environment is a software for building applications that combines common developer tools into a single graphical user interface. Let's have a look at the features of IDE. So the most common features of IDE is text editor. Every IDE has a text editor designed to write and manipulate the source code with simple interface and has language specific syntax highlighting. The next feature is compilers. Compilers are components that translate the programming language into machine understandable code called as the binary code. Code completion. This feature saves programmers time and reduces the likelihood of typos and bugs. Debugger. Debugger tools assist users in identifying errors within the source code. Programming language support. Few IDEs only support a single language, but there are several other IDEs also which support multiple languages as well. One such example is VS Code. Integrations and plugins. IDEs also support integrations and plugins. So now that you have acquired basic knowledge of IDE and you're familiar with its features, we can move forward to top 5 IDEs. The first one in the list is PyCharm. It has two variants and the community edition is free of cost. PyCharm is a cross-platform IDE and supports Windows, macOS and Linux. It was developed by JetBrains and is a very powerful and one of the most widely used IDE. It supports web development and plugins. The user interface is also nice and can be easily connected to the database and servers. It can also be integrated with Anaconda and version control system. The second IDE in our list is Atom. Atom is free, sleek, lightweight and open source IDE. It is also a cross-platform IDE and works on macOS, Linux and Windows. It supports third-party packages for plugins and it is developed by GitHub. It also supports other languages like C, C++, Java, etc. Let's move forward to the top third IDE, Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code was initially released 5 years ago and is a cross-platform IDE. So it supports macOS, Linux and Windows. Visual Studio Code is a home for all languages. It supports C#, Python, C, C++, JavaScript and many other languages. It has its own compiler and interpreter and supports Python web development using Flask and Django. It has a debugger which supports syntax highlighting and many other cool features as well. Next up in our list is Sublime Text Editor, which stands on number 4. It has a proprietary license and was initially released 13 years ago. Sublime Text may be downloaded and evaluated for free. However, a license must be purchased for continuous use. There is currently no enforced limit for the evaluation. Sublime Text supports simultaneous editing and it's very easy to use and great for lightweight projects. Its features can be enhanced by use of plugins. The fifth and the last IDE recommendation for Python is Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter is free, open source, interactive web tool known as computational notebook, which researchers can use to combine software code, computational output, explanatory text, and multimedia resources into a single document. It is maintained by people at Project Jupyter. It's very interactive and easy to use and great for data science. Its main purpose is to support interactive data science and scientific computing across all programming languages. With that, it's a wrap. I will soon make a separate video on each IDE in detail and how you can install and make full use of it. So stay tuned. Every IDE has some pros or cons. So my favorite IDE might not be yours too. So comment down below and let me know what is your favorite IDE. Join my Telegram channel and Discord server to connect with peers and fellow developers to help improve your coding skills. Connect with me on other social platforms such as Twitter, LinkedIn, and GitHub. The link is available in the description box below. I hope you found the video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and connections who are interested in learning Python. If you're looking for some cool projects in Python, please check out my Python projects playlist. I'll link it in the description box below, or you can get it by clicking at the I button. If you have any suggestion or request for my top 5 video series, you can mention in the comment box. I will be back with more such videos, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.